Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy December. I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a day of Vlogmas. You guys know that I've never participated in Vlogmas before and I'm definitely not a daily vlogger by any means. I feel like I would absolutely love to do it, but being in school, I don't have much time. December is also like final season, final projects and exams, so I don't have the time to do Vlogmas, but I have been watching a lot of Vlogmas and I have been absolutely loving it. I love this time of year on YouTube when everyone is doing Christmassy and holiday and just very festive stuff. So I figured for today's video I would do one day of Vlogmas for you guys, and I'm going to be taking you around a day in my life during Christmas time in New York City. I'm going to be getting ready with you guys. We're going to be going out and about, going out to eat, going to the Union Square Christmas market, and also later I'm going to see the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. So I figured this would be a fun video. I know some of you guys love Christmas time in New York. It is definitely really beautiful and I figured I had to see it before I leave and the semester is over. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing this video. I hope you guys enjoy spending this beautiful Christmas in New York day with me, and let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so we are going to get started with getting ready. It is around 11:30 on Sunday, December 8th. We are leaving around 2:30 or 3 o'clock. Me and my roommate are going to go out and about today. So I figured I would just start by doing my makeup. I probably won't show you guys my whole makeup routine because I feel like that will take up most of this video, but I figured I could show you guys some portions. So I love this headband. I feel like I showed this in my pack with me vlog. It's absolutely perfect just to toss in my hair while I'm getting ready. Also pray for me because I am wearing this white sweater, so hopefully I don't get it too dirty while doing my makeup. So for today's look, I want to do something very holiday appropriate. I want to take pictures out and about in the city and by the tree, and of course look ready and put together for this vlog. So I'm gonna do a normal full glam, starting off with some Fix Plus. So as I mentioned in the intro, you guys, I have been absolutely loving watching Vlogmas. I totally wish that I could participate in Vlogmas myself, but like I mentioned, this is literally like the busiest time of year for me when it comes to college. That's also why uploads have been a little slow here on my channel. But I love watching Vlogmas. If you guys were wondering, I love watching Diana and Jose vlogs, Alex and Michael, Juicy Jazz. You guys know I love Juicy Jazz. And I also have really been loving Alex from Learning to Be Fearless. I love her Vlogmas. So those are some of my favorite channels. Again, I will link them all down below if you guys want to check them out. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using my ABH and Jackie Aina palette. This has just been like my favorite go-to palette, especially for this time of year. All of these colors are like super holiday and festive. I've been loving playing around with different color schemes, so I'm going to speed through this, you guys, because it'll probably be something similar to something you guys have seen me do before here on my channel. If you want to see my Christmas look from last year or all of my other Christmas videos, I will have my Christmas playlist linked right here if you guys want to go check that out. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow and then I'll be right back. so now moving on to the face, I'm gonna do the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and just my normal foundation routine that you guys have seen me do before here on my channel. I love wearing foundation in the winter because it does not budge. It stays looking literally flawless all day long. And I feel like it also protects my face from the cold, from like getting overly dry, or like when the cold hits your face, it doesn't hurt as much, I feel like, when you have layers of makeup on, unless that's just me like imagining things. All right, time for foundation. Let's pray that I don't get any of it on my nice white sweater. I'm gonna try to be careful. Alright you guys, so I just finished up my makeup. As you guys can see, I'll bring it in a little closer. I just did this really pretty traditional like holiday glam with like gold, browns, and I did a little bit of that red in the Jackie Aina palette under my eye. My makeup took me a pretty long time today, you guys. I was really just like relaxing and enjoying the process, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. If you guys want to see my hair care routine, click the card right here and you guys can totally see everything about my hair. Okay, so my hair is done. I just went for my classic straight hair. You guys, I've been taking hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I'll actually show you guys the exact ones that I've been using. I've never taken them before until recently. They are these ones, the Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails gummies, and I've been loving them. I feel like they've been really helping with my hair, and I've also been using this deep conditioner that I got from Influencer over the summer, and I've been absolutely obsessed with how my hair has been looking. Can you guys just see? It looks so soft and it already grows fast, but I feel like it's growing extra fast. So I will link these down below as well. You could get them for really cheap off of Amazon. All right, so I just quickly popped on my lip and I wanted to show you guys what I was doing today for lips. So what I currently have on right now is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Sugar and Spice. I just have this on by itself right now. I'm debating if I want to do a lipstick on top. Let me lower the brightness. I feel like the true color isn't coming through. Maybe you guys could see there. It's like a beautiful like 90s Kylie Jenner type of lip. So I'm debating if I want to put something on. I feel like a lip liner by itself is so long lasting. So when I need my lip color to last like an extra long time, like a day like today, I typically will just go in with a lip liner. So I think I'm going to touch it up a little bit in the center and just wear this on my lips today. I also love it. Makes my lips look a lot fuller. But just for like a fast touch up, or if I want to make it a little bit more hydrated looking, I'm going to bring my little mini MAC Velvet Teddy because I feel like it's a similar shade. So that's what I'm gonna do for lips today. I've been going for like a really, really light peachy nude, but I think for like pictures, this is going to look the best. All right, I'm actually gonna pop on just a Velvet Teddy just in the center of my lips. I feel like my lips are a little bit too dry to wear a lip liner on its own right now. So just adding a little lipstick is gonna make it look really nice and hydrated, make my lips look more plump. And I love these little MAC lipsticks. If you guys wanna try out a MAC lipstick, but you don't wanna pay full price, I believe these are like $10 or $12. And they also make really amazing stocking stuffers for your mom, your friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever you wanna buy a lipstick for. These are really great stocking stuffer. All right, you guys, I'm getting ready to head out in just a few minutes. I'm going to pack my purse and get a couple of things together, but I just figured I'd show you guys. I think I'm going to wear these little booties today. These are so comfortable. Definitely a little more on the pricey side. I got them from DSW and they're by the brand Clarks. And for my coat, I'm gonna wear this really, really cute It's almost like a teddy bear coat from H&M. It's nice and warm, and it's also really long. This is what the coat looks like, if you guys can see. So I think it's going to look really cute with the jeans. I can't pick my leg up that high with my dark jeans, this sweater from Nordstrom, and then the little suede booty. So that is what I'm going to wear today. I think instead of my little tiny purse, I'm going to wear my Longchamp bag because I want to like have like a nice secure place to keep my camera. I have been really loving this coat, especially in the city. It has been freezing cold here in New York, and it keeps me nice and warm. So I will try to link it if I can. Again, it's from H&M. I'm going to finish packing up some of my stuff, and then we're gonna head out and go grab something to eat. Oh, we should just stay here. Look at the spotlight. Free studio lighting. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so we just got done eating our tacos. We are nice and full. We had a drink, and we are going to head to the Union Square Christmas market now to do a little holiday shopping, and I will insert like some Christmassy clips along the way. Look how, ooh, it looks even like prettier almost when it goes out of focus. You know what I mean? This little tree display in the middle of Union Square is so beautiful. We have Alyssa. It's just so, oh look, Lil Brooklyn. So we're just shopping around. There's so many people here. I don't even know how well you guys could hear me, but it's just so magical. Like honestly, Christmas time in the city I feel like truly is as magical as the movies make it look. Until it snows, because then the snow makes everything look dirty. Okay, my camera is officially freezing cold, but we just left the Christmas market. Alyssa got her little, what you went there for, her little cute, what is it? Her little cute like dinosaur that, it's almost like a goal. It helps you make goals.
It's like for new opportunities.
Yeah, so it basically presents like new opportunities, and you like cut a piece of felt off its back every time you accomplish one. So we're heading into Barnes & Noble right now. I'm looking for a particular book for my friend, and also just like use the bathroom and warm up and stuff like that.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways.
All right, you guys, we have made it to Radio City near Rockefeller with the beautiful red bulb. So now we're gonna go ahead and head over to the tree, which if you guys haven't seen around Christmas time, I definitely recommend that you do. So let's go ahead and head there. Oh my God, look at it. We made it. It's so pretty. We made it to the tree, you guys. It's beautiful.
Merry Christmas to you.
We just left the tree. It is freezing cold. I bought this beanie in the Yankee store, and thank goodness that I did because my ears are absolutely frozen. But there are so many people here, but we're gonna head back now to our little apartment, our dorm, our apartment. I sound like we can afford an apartment in Manhattan. To our dorm, probably grab some hot chocolate, and then just like head back for the night because we have so much like homework and stuff to do. Projects, it's final season, so I will check in with you guys a little bit later tonight. All right, you guys, it is 8:15 and we just got back to our dorm. My camera is freezing cold. It is so cold out. Like I showed you guys earlier, I bought this beanie, but we had such a nice time. Like I'm sure I said so many times, everything in the city is so beautiful this time of year. It definitely is. Pretty crowded, lots of crowded spaces. So if you guys are like claustrophobic or if you don't like being in very crowded spaces, I definitely don't recommend the tree or New York City in general this time of year because it is pretty crazy. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and my roommate all day and coming along for a day in my life at Christmas time in New York City. The only thing that I ended up buying today was this beanie. I didn't get anything at the Union Square Christmas market, but if you guys are looking for like homemade Christmas gifts or unique Christmas gifts, I really do recommend those markets. But I believe that is everything. Like I said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, click that notification bell down below and you will get notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!